Are you looking for the Specialty Stainless Tea Kettle? In this video we will looking some of the 5 Specialty Stainless Tea Kettle review on the market in 2024. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. First of all, Cosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle. With 5 variable presets: pour-over kettle, coffee kettle, 100% stainless steel inner lid bottom, 1200 watt quick heating, 0.8 L, matte, black. 5 one-touch presets. Your gooseneck electric kettle features 5 precise temperature presets. The accurate variable presets allow you to never again burn your coffee or tea leaves. 1 hour keep warm. Use the hold temp function to keep the contents of your kettle warm for up to 1 hour and enjoy at a later time. The excellent temperature control ensures that the water temperature is within ±5, the purest taste. The electric kettle's durable interior, lid, and spout are made with food-grade 304 stainless steel. Enjoy a longer-lasting product without worrying about any plastic taste. Precise pouring, essential choice for making pour-over coffee. The precision spout and counterbalanced handle helps you to pour steadily and easily, which means you can get a fresh cup of pour-over coffee at home anytime. Turning off the ready tone. Your electric kettle features a ready tone that beeps 3 times when the water reached the preset temperature. And the beep alert can be turned off by pressing and holding hold temp for 8 seconds. Gift ready. Comes with elegant gift boxes, which is a perfect gift for tea/coffee lovers, such as Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Number 2. Cuisinart Coffee Maker. 14-cup glass carafe, fully automatic for brew strength control, 1 to 4 cup setting, stainless steel, DCC 3200 P1. Enjoy hotter coffee. Utilize expert coffee making technology to ensure your coffee temperature is perfect, delivering a delightful taste experience without compromising flavor or quality. Brew strength control. Tailor your coffee flavor to perfection by choosing between regular or bold settings, catering to your unique taste preferences with every brew. Fully automatic coffee brewer. Experience convenience with 24-hour programmability, offering flexibility with 1 to 4 cup settings, auto-off functionality, 0 to 4 hours, and an optional ready alert. Tone for added convenience. 14-cup glass carafe. Indulge in generous servings of coffee with a sleek glass carafe featuring a decorative stainless steel handle and matching body, creating a stylish addition to complement your kitchen appliances. Fill with ease. Enjoy accurate water filling through the easy-to-view water window, while Cuisinart's Brew Pause feature allows you to savor a cup of coffee before the brewing cycle completes, enhancing your coffee drinking experience. Number 3. Mr. Coffee Flintshire Stainless Steel Whistling Tea Kettle. 1.75 quart, brushed satin. Color brushed satin, material stainless steel, brand Mr. Coffee, style Flintshire, product dimensions 8.75 inch D x 8W x 8.5 H, solid stainless steel, constructed 1.75 quart tea kettle. Whistling tea kettle alerts when water is boiling, recommend you to move after whistle has been blown. Flip-up spout cover for safe and easy pouring with Bakelite stay cool handles and trigger for safety. Hand wash recommended. Do not overfill kettle. Fill no higher than just spout opening. Do not allow stove flames to exceed tea kettle base. Number 4. All-clad Specialty Stainless Steel Tea Kettle. 2 quart induction pots and pans, cookware silver. Color silver, material stainless steel, brand All-Clad, item weight 3 pounds, style kettle. The All-Clad kettle is beautifully designed and highly functional to efficiently boil water. Comfortable, sloped handle is securely attached with stainless steel rivets. Made from durable, high-quality 18/10 stainless steel with a highly polished surface for easy cleaning. The hinged spout cap whistles to alert when water is boiling and flips open for easy, smooth pouring, dishwasher safe. Number 5. Prinula Stewart Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle. Food-grade stainless steel, hot water fast to boil, cool touch folding, 1.5 quart, brushed with black handle. Premium kettle built for performance, the Stewart Tea Kettle is made of durable, food-grade stainless steel that will last. Easy to use. This kettle will boil water in no time and features a flip-up whistling spout that easily opens when it's time to pour. Simple to store. The folding handle makes it easy to store this kettle in a cabinet, drawer, or pantry. Easy to clean. The wide mouth lid of the kettle makes cleaning a simple task, leaving enough room to easily empty and wipe dry the kettle between uses. It's that easy. Large capacity, great for entertaining and serving family and friends. The large capacity is perfect for making multiple cups of coffee or tea. The comfortable cool touch handle is easy to hold and grasp and makes serving safe and easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.